Hello everyone, welcome back to I Am Kolkata. I am a chef Charlie. Today I am going to show you how to make a very famous and easy Christmas stolen bread. And Merry Christmas to everyone. I hope everyone of you are enjoying with your family and having a সবাই ভালো আছো, enjoying with your family. So we are going to make this very easy and good, it's exceptional stolen bread. The ingredients required for this I'll show you one by one. So kindly follow. Flour, this is 250 gram of flour. So we need another thing which is a pre-mixture of cashew nut, raisins, tutti frutti, cherry. This is the fermented fruit. We have fermented this for 1 week ago with little bit of brandy, wine, whiskey, rum. So it was kept, and this is the fruit. We get a smell of rum and all. rum, whiskey and all the wine flavors from this food. এটা ভালো একটা গন্ধ আসে এর থেকে, এটা অ্যাড করা হয় জন্য ব্রেডের মধ্যে। We have 50 gram of butter, melted butter, 5 gram of salt, 15 gram of yeast. We have used the instant dry yeast. 50 gram of sugar. We are using castor sugar over here. Nutmeg, 3 grams of nutmeg powder. 3 grams of cinnamon powder. Milk, 50 ml of milk. A little bit of water is required, approximately 50 ml to 100 ml of water is required for making the dough. And for the filling inside, this is very important. The main thing of the stolen bread, we are using almond paste inside for the rolling. I'll show you how to roll it. So this is very important. We are using almond paste for the filling of the stolen bread, from which naamta jei karon aslo stolen bread. The filling is important of marzipan, almond paste. And we have over here eggs for egg wash before baking. So let's get started. First of all, we'll take a big large bowl. At a bottom bowl you can use glass bowl, কাচের bowl use করতে পারি. You can use a steel bowl or you can use a silicone bowl. So we will add the flour. We're going to make a dough. Okay. Then we'll add the dry ingredients. We'll add the yeast. We'll add the butter, melted butter. We'll add the sugar, cinnamon powder, nutmeg powder, cinnamon powder, salt, brandy, a little bit of milk, and then we start making dough. So let's get started. We'll start making the dough. So get everything together. So you mix the center, and slowly we'll add water. Okay. You get everything together, okay? Start mixing like this. So we are going to use the center of our hand, our palm use করব. So get everything together. So we need a little more water. We'll add water slowly. Get everything together. sprinkle some flour. সব কিছু একসাথে মিক্স করে ডো বানাও। এই স্টেজে ফাইনাল স্টেজ উইল অ্যাড দ্য আমরা টুটি ফুটি মিক্সচারটা পুরো অ্যাড করব, get everything together. See, it's a very heavy dough. सब मिक्स हो गया है। Put everything together. Okay. The center, mix around, and we'll let the dough rest. We'll cover the wet cloth. Let the dough rest. Okay. Make sure you have a clean cloth. So we are going to keep it for rest at least. We are going to rest this for at least 15 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, so that the bread gets fermented properly. It rises. So after that, we are going to put the filling of the marzipan in the center. So since we are going to save the time, we have a dough which is already pre-fermented, and we are going to use that dough. So I'll show you the dough is already over here. Here, so this is already fermented dough. So we are going to roll it and put the filling. For that, we'll take some flour. We'll dust some flour on the table. Okay. You're going to take a rolling pin, some dust and flour on top also. Both sides of the bread, flour. Don't make it too long, just in the center. And the center will make a dent over here like this, okay? ठीक है? एरकम একটা সেন্টার একটা ডেন্ট বানাবো রোলিং পিন দিয়ে দেবো, you make a dent like this. Here we'll put this marzipan. Okay, see here. So this marzipan you put in the center. You take an egg wash, take some egg wash, you brush the side, and এটাকে আমরা বন্ধ করে দেবো like this. Okay. So you have closed this side. Just close it like this. Okay. And then you will put it in a baking tray. Okay, like this. And then we'll again pre-ferment it, prove it for another 15-20 minutes until it becomes double in size. We'll egg wash it. You'll get a nice beautiful color over here. खूब सुंदर एक रंग आएगा. You'll get a बहुत अच्छा कलर आएगा, देखने भी अच्छा लगेगा. Beautiful color will come. Okay. And then we'll bake this in a preheated oven for 200 degrees Celsius for around 20 to 25 minutes until you get a nice and golden color. Okay, so that's the main part. So make sure you bake the stolen bread very properly in the oven, in a preheated oven. Don't put it in a cold oven, otherwise it will become flat. So after baking, there is another thing which we do to the stolen bread is that we are going to fry it. Okay, you fry it in a fat, any kind of fat. Try to use oil or butter. Okay, don't use any dalda or unsaturated fat. So you fry it in a oil, butter, and then you'll get a crispy golden texture that gives it flavor and taste. It enhances the flavor and taste of the bread. That's the reason stolen bread is fried after baking. Okay, and then we are going to top it with icing sugar. Dust icing sugar after baking, then it comes out from the oven, it gets fried, and then you dust it with icing sugar, and it's cut and served. So I have already prepared one. Stolen bread is already ready because of the time consumption. So I've cut it and I've decorated and plated for you after frying it. I'll show you that. Here it is. So here is our stolen bread after frying. See, we have the marzipan filling in the center, and it dusted with icing sugar after frying. Okay, so we are plating it over here in a beautiful plate, and we can present it to our guest. It looks nice and beautiful. So here everyone, here is the stolen bread. It's nicely presented and decorated. I hope you like my video and you follow my recipe, so you will get a very good and excellent stolen bread which you can give to your guest and enjoy Christmas. I hope everybody enjoys the Christmas. Stay well, stay safe. Thank you very much.